The 2025 Kia K5 has undergone a remarkable transformation that car enthusiasts are eager to explore. This midsize sedan has received a handsome facelift, showcasing modifications to its front and rear ends that elevate its aesthetic appeal. The facelift isn't merely cosmetic, it extends to the car's interior as well, bringing forth two curved displays which replace the previous model's analog gauges, offering a modernized digital experience for the driver. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia K5 offers an array of powertrain options. It's available with a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter gasoline engine that churns out 160 horsepower, along with a turbocharged 1.6-liter unit capable of producing 180 horsepower. Additionally, there's a 2.0-liter LPI, liquid propane injection engine option, providing a variety of powertrain choices to suit different driving preferences. Moreover, the 2025 Kia K5 is now available with 4 powertrain choices, indicating a broader spectrum of engine options for potential buyers. This new model is making a statement in the mid-size sedan market with its blend of aesthetic appeal, comfort, and performance, making it a promising competitor in its segment. The K5 caters to a diverse spectrum of drivers, with its various trim levels including LX, LXS, GT Line X, and GT, thereby offering a well-rounded package for those seeking a blend of style, comfort, and performance in their next car. The blend of technological upgrades, aesthetic enhancements, and powertrain variety puts the 2025 Kia K5 in a favorable position to appeal to a broad audience. With its modern facelift and enhanced interior, coupled with an array of powertrain options, the 2025 Kia K5 is a noteworthy entrant in the mid-size sedan market, reflecting Kia's ongoing commitment to delivering value, performance, and style.